Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. How to make backup on your beautiful computer, backup your phone, your amazing iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's amazing and it's crazy. Today I have found an amazing software. This software is Power than iTunes. You can use this to backup your phone. First of all, let me show you. This is 3uTools, the best. And you have iTunes. iTunes is this application, this software that people use to install music. You just want to come on on your phone like that, okay? Or on your phone in front of you. You can make, you can update your phone and restore also. You have iCloud, you can save, you can back up to iCloud and to your computer and do what you want easily. If you want to put music into, you can just click on music and you put the music for your folder directly into this thing. It's like that people put music in his phone. And as you can see, is power is poor, is poor, is poor. Today I have discovered something amazing. Free Utools that you can download for free. Go on Google and enter free Utools to have this. Free Utools it's much better than iTunes. So much better than iTunes. This is definitely not a joke. Definitely not a joke. Bro, I want to show how to back up your phone and how to restore. This is very simple, very easy with this beautiful and amazing tools. First of all, look at, as you can see, this is my phone and its information, all of informations about this phone, bro. Do you believe it? You can see project date. Look at your project date. Damn, I have all of the informations here. My phone is not jailbroken and it's activate. Great. You can see all also view informations, view device information, and look at what you have in front of you. Do you believe it? How is possible? You have so much things. Wow, this is crazy. You have also your memory, what is used. Damn, and now you have here, you have all of this. You have your applications, your photo, your music, ringtone, videos, all of this. Even your face fits into your phone. Do you believe this? And you have so much tools here. You can see more, transfer data, stop iOS update, make ringtone, and backup and restore. When you click on backup and restore, you have your phone here. Your phone is now here. And what can you do? This is simple, very simple. You have the possibility to go on free Utools folder. Okay, free Utools folder is in your secondary hard drive. If you are not as if you are not if you are not two SSD. If you are one driver, you will see this is the first driver, and if you are two drivers, few Bluetooth can make this in the second driver. Okay, driver D. Okay, let's looking for free Utools folder. Now you have free Utools folder here. You can open, and under you can see application backup customized backup fields, fi- film cache, and firmware. Film cache and firmware. You can also download firmware. Your firmware on this beautiful applications is so power than what you can know. So, bro, it's amazing. First of all, let's make the backup. If you want to select your a folder in external storage or something like that where you want to stock the backup, like me, look at I'll create a folder, another disk, and Apple folder like that. Now I have iPhone, I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have create into a new folder. It's called iBackup. Okay, and I create also backup free Utools. As you can see, nothing into. Beautiful. I want to put this into this folder. Okay, the backup into this folder to save all of my phones and my applications, what are download, like Procam. This is premium application I have downloaded for almost 14 dollars. Now let me start the backup. You have a phone here, all informations, folder type, iPhone 13.4, and another closing Pacific blue. Even with my phone color is here. Even my phone color Pacific blue. Look at, look at, wow, look at how it's so power. Now let me change here the folder where I want to backup. When you come here, you will see something like that in Windows. Double click, come here, select your folder what you are create. I create this Apple iPhone, iPhone 12 Pro Max. I create also this folder backup, and I also create backup through Utools. Choose this and I select where I want to backup my files, and it's correctly selected here. You can do what you want, and if it's finished, you can click on backup before. Okay, connect very well your phone. Now click on backup now. When you click on backup now, look at what you have in front of you. You have this. You have 10.95 backup file size. But what you need to know to see is here. This, and have your phone here. As you can see, the backup started. The backup started. Don't disconnect your phone and get ready. Wow, it's definitely not a joke. And it started just like that. Just like that. It's more power than iTunes. It's more power than iTunes, bro. This is what I think. And it's very, very good. Look at the backup field, the backup size, and as you can see, stop it 69.43%. You need to wait. It's not stop it. Just wait and get ready. Don't disconnect your phone. Okay, nice. Now wait, look at, now you can see it's increased to 2 GB. Now look at the face, snapshot. Okay, backup started. You need just to wait for a finishing. Wow, if this software, you can even add your Apple ID to download applications here. applications and so much things that you can discover it by yourself. Wow, as you can see, it started. After this, you will see all of your backup here on view all data backups. You will see all of the backups here. But wait a few minutes for finishing. Look at very well here. This is size, great. You can cancel backup, but I don't recommend you this. Okay, wait for the finishing of this process and get ready. You can download this tool for free. 3uTools. You can download this for free. Remember, and it's power. It's simple. It's nice. It's good. It's amazing. It's woo. I love you. Subscribe today. Okay. As you can see, 99%. 90. Ooh, you can see all data is backup. Total time 3 minutes 14 seconds. The size backup is here, 4.81 gigabytes. Let's check now. I can go directly on my folder here. Okay, open my folder. Ooh, look at what I have into now. Look at his size, 4.8.1. Let's check if it's real. 4.8.1. Thank you. I think now it's good. You can open. You can see. Please do not modify the director or your files. Thank you. This is what you need to do. Never modify this after backup. Okay? Thank you. Don't touch anything. Now you have all of this in front of you, and it's good, and so beautiful. It's so nice. Nice. Now, what can I do if I want to back up? Okay, if I want to restore my phone. If you want to restore your phone, this is simple. Here you will see all of your backup files. Now let's click on view all backup, and he's here. He's here. Do you believe it? iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iOS 14.4.2. Great. You can see you did on backup. Now what can you do? This is very simple. It's selected. Now you can just click on restore all data, and the process will begin. And after this, enjoy yourself. Now this is what I'm talking about. You have your applications. Okay, you can delete applications here. Okay, you can see you install, you can delete, you can install, you can do what you want and add application into. Okay, let's test this with something I have seen. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's go. 3uTools application, and I have, okay, this is an IPA field. Okay, you can take an IPA field and do what I want to do. This is simple. You can do something like that. Okay, put this directly into this beautiful, and you can see here transmission 68%. Do you believe it? Started. Now you need just to wait for finishing. Oh, where are you? Disappear. Oh, no, he's here. No, he's here. Now he's here. Oh, yeah. Okay, and look at, where are you? Now look at the above is here. O player and O player light. Let's see in this one if it's also here. And what? O player is also here. In this phone, bro, is here. Do you believe this? Do you? Okay. And you can also do the same action. You can download another app and put this directly here if you want. Okay? Ha 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 ha. And it's working. And it's working. Dada loco. Dada loco. Now you have your photo, all of your photo and your videos, all of them. Yeah. Selfie. Selfie. Oh, your selfie photo. Wow, look at that. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Damn! Look at me. This photo is no so natural. 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 It's like a movie. Damn. And wonderful. You have also what you want. So much things here. You can see camera roll. You have photo library. This is what I put on this phone. I have music. You can add music easily. Ringtone. What? Nothing. You can go download ringtone. Okay, video. You can even download video applications here for free. You have also book, AU disk, data, and files. This is the files system file, the file system user. File system user. All of file system user are here just like that. Amazing, amazing. Now, come on tools, virtual location, 3uTools player, and path activation, clean garbage, and never. Okay, you have also application here. You can add your Apple ID and start download games directly from here. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? How is possible? How is possible? Damn! What can I do to download game? Which game you want? But I don't. I don't know. But there are so much games here. Wow! I want to try to test something. But what? Okay, nice. If you want to download, for example, a game, click on them, and you have more information about this directly here, and you can click on install. But but you need to enter your Bing Apple ID. As you can see, it's connected. Enter, and when it's done, you can download games. Download games. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? If the game is free, the downloading will start it. If you need to pay for that, it will stop it. Okay, when it's finished, the installation process started directly, automatically. You can see the speed of your connection, network connection, and nice. You can close. I have LT and WP. What is this? LT and WP? Who are you? Where you coming from? Look at what look. Okay, you are ringtone. Okay, ringtone. You can download ringtone. Just here. Listen. Close your mouth. You are so my ringtone. Okay. You can see flash and jailbreak. Flash and jailbreak. Here you have also the possibility to flash and jailbreak your phone. You can select local firmware. You can click on import. Okay, and you can also download the official firmware of your device. As you can see, it's not beta, it's just with official firmware here directly for your phone. Okay, you can download it and restore. You can click on download to start downloading this, and if you have downloading this, you can click on import here. Okay, and click on flash. Okay, flash here to start the process. You can see, if you have bound Apple ID, please prepare the Apple ID and password. Wonderful. This is 3uTools, the best of the best for iPhone. Yeah, you have so much features, more and more tools. Look at all of these accessibilities. Oh my god, convert video, have so much features here. Do you believe this? Compress photo. Wow. Even HIPAA signature. HIPAA signature. You can also do this here. Bro, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm shocking. How is possible? No way. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? Damn. Look at me. Look at me. Jesus, help me. I'll never see something like that. Oh my God. I love you. Subscribe today. Look at. Damn. You believe this? I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Very, very impressed. I also tutorials here. And you will see some tutorials on the what you need to know, something, some tricks, and other. Okay. God bless you all. My phone, beautiful. You can open like just like that, just like that. Damn! Applications, good. This is what I'm talking about. You are also updates. There are some new updates here, but you can download. You can just click on update and update again and start the process. Bro, it's amazing. And you are also downloading applications here, as you can see. And look at the downloading application are here. We are downloading all of those applications, and it's continue. Okay, let me wait for finishing. Now subscribe, get ready, and God bless you and bless your families. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. You need to do something like that. What? Application store, automatically download application. Wonderful. What? Automatically download application update. And what? Do you believe it? What is this? Okay. Nice. Okay. Cool. Thanks for watching. I love you, and I see you later for the next video. On next video for the don't forget to like and share, support our channel. Follow me.